Do you know where the richest place on earth is? It's not the oil fields of the Middle East or the banks in New York. It's the graveyard. Because it's filled with unwritten books, unstarted businesses, and unlived dreams from people who thought they had more time. Some waited for courage. Some waited for clarity. Most just waited for the right moment. Students feel this especially, but anyone can fall into this trap. Every postponed task, every delayed idea, every "I'll do it tomorrow" is another brick in the coffin of your potential. But the graveyard is proof that the future is a lie. Your dreams do not wait for you to feel ready. Procrastination is a quiet thief. It steals your days, then your years, and eventually your entire legacy. Your brain is biologically wired to keep you in the comfort zone. Your limbic system prefers the safety of scrolling over the risk of growing. It wants you to stay buried. Every time you say tomorrow, you're just digging your own grave deeper. You think you're resting? No, you're suffocating your future self. The perfect time is a ghost you're chasing to avoid being afraid. But while you're waiting for the stars to align, your life is ticking away. The people in those graves had the same 24 hours you have right now. The only difference, they spent theirs waiting. To beat this, you need to stop acting like you have forever. When you feel the urge to procrastinate, look at yourself in the mirror and imagine it's 10 years from now. You're looking back at this exact moment, failing your life because you chose a 15-second reel over a 15-minute productive session. This is enough to kill the procrastinator in you. You should realize that if you don't act now, you're just another resident of the graveyard of what-ifs. The richest place on earth doesn't need your potential. It has enough. Keep your dreams out of the dirt. If you're tired of being a spectator in your own life, stop listening to the whispers of comfort. Subscribe and join the community of people who refuse to let their dreams die in the dirt. If you're done leaving your success to chance, comment "resurrected" below. It tells the algorithm and your brain that you're done waiting. Your comeback starts now, or it stays buried forever. Your choice. Look at your life. Are you building a legacy or just digging a grave?